Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this polymer clay keychain of Isabelle from Animal Crossing. I mixed in yellow and white to make the main color of her body. You need to create the head, the bangs, and the bottom layers of the buns with this color. You can see the figures on the bottom of the screen. You should start with a big sphere for the head and then mold it to shape. For the bangs, start with a small sphere, flatten it out, and cut a slit in the middle. The buns will be just tiny spheres for now. Put the bangs onto the face. Make sure to smooth everything out so that it looks seamless. I mixed in yellow and orange to make the color of her ears and to top off her buns. You can take a look at the kneaded pieces at the bottom of the screen. The ears are easier to sculpt if you start with a drop-like shape. Now place the ears on Isabelle's head. Onto the buns. Take the yellow spheres and shape them into droplets. One should be slightly bigger than the other. Then take the leftover orange clay and cover the top of the buns. It's better to just wing it here because you have to create this wave-like shape. Grab some of that dark orange and create a little tube to make the hair tie. We are now putting everything together. We'll also make some leaves. Make a sphere with the green clay, shape it like a drop and flatten it out to make a leaf. Make sure you leave a little piece behind to make the stem. You can once more see the kneaded pieces at the bottom of the screen. Bake the clay according to instructions. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool and add the details with acrylic paint. I used the permanent marker to have more control over the lines of the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now the final step in the assembly is getting a keychain and attaching the charms to the chain.